This week at the company's annual conference in Las Vegas, Adobe emphasized that AI is very much part of its future and that it plans to capitalize on this big technology shift.
I'm thrilled today to be announcing the next major milestone for Firefly, which is Firefly Custom Models and Firefly Services.
As AI-powered image editing tools continue to evolve, the quest to develop the most advanced and intuitive software is reaching new heights. Companies are fiercely competing for their share of the market. With its extensive background in creative software, Adobe is committed to maintaining its dominance with the release of Firefly Image 3, which promises to revolutionize image editing through AI technology. Let's find out more about this tool. How it started. Just a year ago, Adobe announced its initial Firefly model, later enhancing it with Firefly 2 in October. What sets it apart from competitors like Midjourney, SDXL, Ideogram, and DALL-E 3 is its unique training data origin. Adobe asserts its ability to create legally sound images by exclusively training on licensed material from its stock database. Then on the 26th of March, 2024, Adobe announced Firefly Services, a revolutionary set of over 20 new generative and creative APIs, tools, and services. These offerings extend the power of Adobe's AI-driven features from its creative cloud tools to enterprise developers, enabling them to accelerate content creation within their custom workflows or even forge entirely novel solutions. Among the innovations unveiled were custom models, empowering businesses to finely tune Firefly models according to their unique assets. This capability seamlessly integrates into Adobe's new Gen Studio, offering a tailored approach to content generation. Described as a comprehensive set of generative AI and creative APIs that automates workflows, Firefly Services encompasses a range of functionalities. These include APIs for background removal, intelligent image cropping, horizon leveling, and access to core AI-driven Photoshop features like generative fill and expand. Moreover, Firefly Services provides tools for text layer editing, content tagging, and the application of Lightroom presets, delivering a versatile suite of creative utilities. David Wadhwani, president of digital media business at Adobe, highlighted the significance of Firefly Services and custom models in meeting the escalating consumer demands for generative AI-driven personalization. These offerings empower brands with potent customization capabilities and enhanced control over automation processes, signaling a shift from experimental to production-grade AI investments. As businesses embrace generative AI, worries about protecting their brand have slowed down adoption. Adobe says it introduced Firefly to ensure safe content creation. Billy Seabrook from IBM Consulting highlighted Firefly's potential to revolutionize marketing by making content production and personalization easier on a large scale. Firefly fits smoothly into existing workflows, quickly creating images and templates while maintaining brand consistency. This opens up the creative process to more people involved. Adobe Firefly Image 3 builds upon this foundation, providing even more possibilities within this framework. So what is Firefly Image 3? Firefly Image 3 Foundation Model is a cutting-edge addition to Adobe's generative AI lineup. Now accessible through the Firefly web app, this model empowers users with unprecedented design control, enhancing image generation quality, and understanding prompts to add finer details seamlessly. But that's not all. Firefly Image 3 promises to elevate creative expression with its commitment to photorealistic quality. It excels in refining positioning, lighting, and attention to detail within images, ensuring every creation shines with professional finesse. With features like structure reference and style reference in the text-to-image module, alongside the innovative generative expand feature in generative fill, users can effortlessly tweak and expand aspect ratios to suit their vision. Since its launch, the Firefly has already churned out an impressive 7 billion images, seamlessly integrated into Adobe's suite of creative tools, including Adobe Express, Photoshop, Substance 3D, Illustrator, Stock, and InDesign. It has revolutionized template creation, editing, 3D text rendering, vector design, and staging. And the best part? It's all easily accessible through Adobe Stock, ensuring that professionals and enthusiasts alike can harness the power of Firefly Image 3 to bring their creative visions to life like never before. But there's still a lot more for you to know about Firefly Image 3. Features of Firefly Image 3. The Firefly Image 3 Foundation model is designed to streamline the creative process, offering both speed and versatility for ideation and experimentation. With its advanced features, it facilitates the translation of creative visions into tangible results, enhancing productivity while ensuring finer details and superior image quality. One of these standout features is the auto-stylization capability, which empowers users with enhanced creative expression through an upgraded style engine. This feature provides a diverse array of styling options, allowing users to customize colors, styles, poses, backgrounds, and more with greater control and personalization. Whether they're working on digital art, design projects, or illustrations, the Firefly web app offers ample styling possibilities to fuel your creativity. Furthermore, the inclusion of style and structure reference functionality elevates creative control and visual quality. The structure reference feature generates images based on the structure of reference images, eliminating the need for extensive manual adjustments to achieve desired outcomes. Complemented by the style reference feature, users can leverage both structural and stylistic elements from input images, enhancing the overall quality and fidelity of generated outputs. Firefly 3 also boasts premium visual quality enhancements, allowing users to refine positioning, lighting, and rendering of subjects. From facial expressions and moods to intricate details such as crowds and architectural elements, users can enrich their images with lifelike realism and depth, enhancing their visual impact and storytelling capabilities. Moreover, the platform offers a diverse selection of styles for creating icons and illustrations, ranging from logos and line art to raster images and icons. Leveraging generative AI features, users can produce high-quality illustrations that cater to various design needs and applications, further expanding the creative possibilities offered by Firefly 3. One of the tool's key strengths lies in its ability to accurately interpret complex scene descriptions and text prompts, ensuring that generated images faithfully reflect the intended concepts. By leveraging advanced algorithms and compatibility with Adobe Stock, Firefly 3 can seamlessly incorporate rich details and clear text rendering into generated images, facilitating the rapid creation of posters and visual assets from reference images. Additionally, Firefly 3 introduces custom model functionality, enabling users to train their own AI models tailored to specific brand styles, product aesthetics, or intellectual property considerations. This feature promotes branding consistency across teams and projects, empowering users to align their creative outputs with organizational branding guidelines and design principles. Training process. Firefly Image 3 is powered by a robust training process, drawing from a diverse range of licensed content, notably from Adobe Stock. This ensures that the images it generates are suitable for commercial use, alleviating concerns about copyright infringement and intellectual property issues. Essentially, it's designed to steer clear of misusing logos and trademarks. To maintain quality and adherence to legal standards, Adobe employs a multi-layered moderation system coupled with continuous review protocols. This approach is instrumental in filtering out any content that violates copyright or intellectual property regulations. Moreover, it meticulously analyzes existing images to produce photorealistic outputs devoid of any objectionable elements. Furthermore, Firefly Image 3 is programmed to exclude any content that contradicts Adobe's established policies. This not only upholds the integrity of the platform, but also assures users of compliance with legal requirements. Additionally, users are provided with IP indemnification, safeguarding them against potential legal repercussions associated with the content they generate through Firefly. Ethics concerns. When it comes to ethics, Adobe takes its responsibilities seriously, particularly in designing and creating AI models. They adhere to the principles of transparency, accountability, and responsibility. This commitment to transparency is evident in the implementation of content credentials within Firefly's generated content. These content credentials serve as labels for digital content, ensuring transparency through tamper-evident metadata. This metadata provides essential information about newly created content, including whether AI was involved in its editing or creation process. Furthermore, the design of content credentials on Adobe Firefly adheres to the C2PA Open Standard. This standard is supported by Adobe's Content Authenticity Initiative, CAI, established in 2019 to foster trust in the digital ecosystem. Over time, CAI has evolved into a collaborative effort involving members from various sectors, including technology, media, policy, and research. As a result, users can have confidence in the authenticity and integrity of content generated by Firefly. knowing that it aligns with established ethical standards. Adobe's commitment to transparency and accountability ensures that users are informed about the origin and nature of the content they encounter, contributing to a more trustworthy digital environment. General outlook. Firefly Image 3 by Adobe exemplifies the accelerating pace of AI innovation, pushing the boundaries of generative design and image manipulation. Its introduction reveals the relentless pursuit of creating the most sophisticated AI tools imaginable. As AI progresses at a rate beyond our comprehension, advancements like Firefly Image 3 challenge our understanding of its capabilities. Despite our attempts to console ourselves with the notion that AI will never fully replace human jobs, the reality is that it continues to improve daily. With its promise of photorealistic quality and unprecedented design control, Firefly Image 3 signals a leap forward in creative expression. Features like structure reference and generative expand empower users to effortlessly refine and expand their visions, revolutionizing template creation, editing, and design across various Adobe platforms. However, with AI continuously breaking new ground in creative fields traditionally dominated by human innovation, we are confronted with questions about the future of work and the role of human-AI collaboration. Tools like Firefly Image 3 serve as a reminder that AI is not merely an augmentation of human creativity, but rather a potent catalyst for a fundamental transformation in the way we approach and execute creative tasks. For availability, the image generation tool is exclusively accessible in its beta iteration through Firefly's web application. Within this platform, users can access both free and paid plans. These plans offer generative credits, enabling users to utilize the cutting-edge features of generative artificial intelligence. With these credits, users can leverage reference images to craft their AI-generated visuals. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.